Hello, welcome to sunny South Georgia. Coop's Homestead, Cabin Build, episode number 5. We're going to start off with this episode with where we left off on number 4, where we had our 2 8x8 seals scarfed together on both sides of the cabin. That would be the south end and the north end of the cabin. Today we're going to see about getting our first 8x12 timber put on one end of this cabin. I drove my nail in here on the end and one down there on that end where you see the string going across to find 20 foot. I measured, drove my nail there, put me a string on it, and put a framing square up there. I pulled my string across and found and got that string pretty level, pretty square. Drew me a line, drove me another nail, measured 20 foot to that end, and I was 1.5 inches off when I measured from corner to corner and corner to corner. I was 1.5 inches off, but I got that done. It's square. The next task here is to put my first timber across here. So here we have our first timber. It's an 8x12 sitting on this mill. It's sitting there. I'm planning on doing the cutting of the dovetail notches on it while it's there, and then move it over to the sawmill. Once it's cut, got it moved over and put on my 8x8. Might call that the short log. And after it was in place, I've got a close-up picture of the half dovetail notches, and right beside it you'll see a 4x4 inch by 8 inch wide cut for the seals to go across to support my flooring. So that's where we are at after this short clip of the first course of our cabin build. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying making them. Y'all hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so I can let y'all know when the next episode comes out. Thank y'all very much.